cakistocracy. And give me the definition.
Literally, a government by the worst people.
Yes.
A government by the least suitable or competent citizens of a state.
I want to say to ANC members, remember where you have fallen. You have taken a movement of God and you have given it to things that God, in His Word, the Bible, has spoken against. Look at what's happening in the ANC today. Political assassinations. You are stealing money from the poor. You are stealing resources of the country to enrich yourselves. You don't care about life. You don't care about this country progressing. You are incompetent. The ANC is going down. The country is going down. There is no government department that is standing. You have no integrity.
And when I talk to some of you, you are very worried that this thing is going to destroy the DA. No, that's not the point. The point is to replace the ANC component in government with a proper group of qualified, trained South Africans. If you don't do that, the DA, let me tell you, forget what Helen was telling you. The DA will never be the government of South Africa if you don't do what I'm telling you about. Look at the numbers. I was here when Helen, by the way, I've endorsed her in Johannesburg. So, pack that publicly. And me and her agreed, that we're going to do a podcast where I promote her. I'll do it. So I'm not a hater of the DA. But here is the thing. The DA now has 23% of the national vote. If you actually analyze the numbers, the ANC actually hasn't shifted because the ANC is the ANC of Cyril Ramaphosa, is Umkhonto Sizwe, is the ANC, is the EFF, is the ANC. That gives you 63%. The DA has never made any mark, and it will not make a mark. So, the next move is the team, money, technical expertise, and strategy, and a serious, massive plan.
It's the first time I've heard a credible alternative to the likely reality. The DA does well in the next election. MK is there. EFF is there. Ramaphosa is replaced. MK, EFF, ANC together. They are socialists. They haven't budged. And you've made that point. So if I understand you correctly, you're saying we need a new project. The country needs something that is going to get maybe more people to vote to start off with, to have hope. But secondly, that can be an alternative to the continued decline which is preached by the socialist parties. Am I reading you correctly?